Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club with the latest updates. In this short video we will talk about the AI text to video. How you can generate the video from your text. You just give prompt and then AI will generate for you a realistic video that you cannot believe that is generated with the AI. As you can see on the screen, these videos are created by AI. You cannot believe that is not a real, that is created by AI. You also can create using this AI tool to create your own videos and create anything you want. So before we continue, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's begin to our topic. So first of all, you have to go to your browser and then type Haiper.ai. I will put the link in description, so easy for you to directly just click and then go to this Haiper AI tool. And then you can see on the screen try for free. You click that try for free and then sign up with Google. You can easily sign up, and then here you can find out the multiple prompts videos generated by AI. You can see this one is all realistic videos that generated with AI, and you can simply just copy, open, and then copy the prompt, and then you can use the same like this image, or you can uh, generate by your own script. Just give the prompt here, and then here you can find out also the options: old flame, watercolor, cyberpunk. There are multiple options that you can use also with your prompt, and then click create. Once I click the create, it will redirect you in the different page and then generating your video from that prompt. So we have to wait and then see the results. As you can see, our video is generated from our prompt. You can see if we want to download, you can find out the download option on the bottom of the video. If we play, you can see that is looks like realistic video, and then you can see the results if I download and then play. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in the next video with the new tips, new tricks. Thank you.